Alrighty friends, so right now I'm about to head inside Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. I'm here for a work trip and yeah, let's get going. We're gonna eat some really good food and can't wait. Alright, we're here at Universal getting dropped off and my friends. I see my friends. After getting into Universal Studios, I had to go check in to the work event, which was really nice that my work got to rent out Universal Studios. Who gets to say that their work has done that before? That's pretty freaking cool. So before I enter into the event, we're gonna eat at Cowfish, which is a pretty unique place, have some pretty unique food, burgushi being one of those food items. I also ordered myself a cocktail drink, and this one was pretty freaking good. It was strawberry based. And I love me my sweet drinks, so this was a pretty dang good drink, and I highly recommend it. And here you can see my burgushi rolls and my crispy Brussels sprouts. This is the pork barbecue, crispy potatoes on top, and then I got crispy Brussels, trying to be healthy. My friends there got their burgushis. Gushy. So yeah, my burgushi roll was pretty good. It was basically pulled pork wrapped in a sushi roll with potato crisps and some rice. And it had a lot of great flavors. The potato crisps here were a little bit overdone, pretty burnt. So you can skip out on those little toppings. But the crispy Brussels sprouts are freaking delicious. I highly recommend getting these. So after eating, we kind of wanted to explore around a little bit, so we checked out some of the stores. Get all of your Super Nintendo World needs. Some luggage tags. Get yourself a Yosher or a Bowsy. Stuff looks good. Get yourself a Yoshi hat like Hunter. All right, now we're exiting out. Let's just go inside the parks now. We wanted to line up for the park, and our dilemma was that we only have 4 hours for this event, so we had to cram in as much as possible in that 4-hour time limit. Got a free pretzel that I didn't grab, they just shoved in our faces. So the pretzel was kind of dull, but for free, you know, it's not that bad. So the first ride we really wanted to tackle was Velocicoaster before that line was too long to stand through. But yeah, Velocicoaster is honestly my favorite ride at Islands of Adventure. Maybe contends with Hagrid's. I flip-flop back and forth, but this ride is exhilarating. Alright, so we just got off the Velocicoaster and it was a fantastic ride. My face was all over the place. And now we're entering Harry Potter World to get ourselves Butterbeer. So yeah, I got myself my Butterbeer. I absolutely love Butterbeer, especially the frozen one. It is delicious. I know it's an acquired taste and not, but to me it is absolutely fantastic. And then here we're checking out some of the food that they had offered for us for the event. A lot of it was just sweet treats, so it's not really like filling food. This is just stuff to get by, especially in the lines. But a lot of it was really decadent looking. Really sweet. I got myself a little custard tart and it was delicious. I also got myself a fishy green ale, which had some boba stuff in it, which was fun. But after snacking, we had to hit Hagrid's Magical Creatures motorbike ride. And this is honestly, again, top 2 rides at Universal Studios. At this point, we have 3 hours left of the event. And so we were just eager to get through this so we can hit the rest of the park.
You're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat. Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragonfire's got a kick. She's a bloody lucky thing to see such. Did see Pixie, Scroots, and unicorns. Oh.
So yeah, Hagrid's Magical Creatures, always a fun time. Next was something new for me, was hitting the Hogwarts Express. And so now after finishing Hagrid's, we only had about 2 hours left because that line was long. All right guys, we are about to get on the Hogsmeade train. We're going the opposite direction though, this time. We're going to London. So about 50 minutes have gone by at this point. Honestly, if this was a normal park day, 50 minutes may be worth it. But let's just say you had a park hopper and you're rushing to get through some rides. I wouldn't wait more than 30 minutes for this attraction. It's a really fun attraction. You get to see a lot of cool visuals. But again, I wouldn't waste my time waiting more than 30 minutes for this experience. Walking to the other park would be a lot quicker.
Forget him, mate. You'll never catch me now. I know. Did you really have to do that?
Honestly, Ron, they're just sweet.
But of course, walking into Diagon Alley, we had to watch and wait for the dragon's fire breath. And after that, my friends and I wanted to ride the Escape from Gringotts ride. And after that experience, we got a little munchy. And so they were serving pizza down in the streets of New York. For it being free pizza, obviously, it tastes as good as free can get. And so at this point, we had about 30 minutes left of the park. And there was one ride that I really wanted to hit, as it's pretty new, but also I just wanted to see if it was worth it. And so my friends and I head towards the Minions land. And we're gonna ride the Villain Con Minion Blast. And so this ride was a straight up walk on. But yeah, walking through the queue line, I was honestly pretty impressed. It's pretty cool. You get to see almost everything from the movies in the queue line. You see the weapons, vehicles, some of the characters that you've seen in the movies. Crocodile, which was pretty cool. But yeah, so this ride, you grab a interactive blaster. I like my interactive rides. I think it's fun. And so you get on basically a motion track and it takes you through the ride and you just shoot kind of at the screens and shoot at the different screens with the different stuff going on. And really, this is pretty chaotic. There's so much stuff going on. You're just kind of shooting everything everywhere. At first, you don't really know what to shoot because each screen does have different obstacles and different layout that sometimes you kind of forget like what you're supposed to shoot. There was really no instructions. But also, this kind of comes at a downside for me, as I feel like not enough was happening on the screens, especially in the second room. There wasn't enough boxes or anything for us to shoot at, which is just kind of empty. And then towards this last screen where you're at Universal Studios, this was a lot of fun. The tracking of the gun is okay. It's not the best, but it's also not the worst. So when it comes to the ride though, would I wait more than 30 minutes for this? I don't think so. It was kind of a letdown. I would not want to waste my day in the queue line for this ride. Hey, you can dress like your boy. Get that vector fit. That's the drip. That is the drip. One of the positives I will give this ride though is the merchandise store. It's a lot of fun in there. It's a cute store and obviously it's tailored towards kids, but there's a lot of cool stuff that you can get here in the Minion store. But alas, after that, the 4 hours was over and we were very sad to leave. I was very sad to leave. But yeah, that was my experience for my work trip. It was a lot of fun. I wish they would do that every year. That was really awesome and amazing that they gave us that opportunity. But yeah, that was my time at Universal Studios. Soon I'll have a Halloween Horror Nights video coming up your way. I'll be back there in 2 weeks to check that out. So I hope you guys look forward to that. But I'll also have cruise videos coming out through the rest of October. I hope you guys enjoyed this cozy experience. It was a lot of fun for me, and I hope you were able to live vicariously through me. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.